Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Hare and the Tortoise. There once was a very fast hare. He was very loud, too. He was always boasting. The hare poked fun at a tortoise for being slow. One day, he saw the tortoise taking a walk. He said, "Tortoise, you are so slow. It will be next week before you get home." The other animals were not happy with Hare. They didn't like the way he boasted. They thought he was a show-off. Rooster said to Tortoise, "You have put up with Hare long enough. You must race him," said Raccoon. "We think you can win," said Frog. Tortoise didn't want to disappoint his friends. He challenged Hare to a race. Hare laughed. He said, "That is funny. I will dance around you all the way." Tortoise said to his friends, "I'll need your help." "He certainly will," laughed Hare. With that, Hare took off. "See you in 2 weeks," he called. Tortoise had 2 weeks to get ready for the race. "You can do it," said Rooster. "You'll show Hare," said Raccoon. "Let's hop to it," said Frog. Rooster helped Tortoise build his muscles. They practiced by lifting eggs in the barnyard. "Lift up." "Down," said Rooster. "Lift up." "Down." Raccoon helped Tortoise too. He caught a fish and cooked it for Tortoise. He said, "Eat the fish. It will make you strong." Frog helped Tortoise move faster. She hopped around and around him. She said, "You must keep moving." The day of the race came. Fox was the judge. He put up red flags to mark the course. Many animals came to watch. Fox said, "The first one to cross the finish line wins the race. Ready? Set? Go!" Hare darted off. Soon he was out of sight. Tortoise had gone only a few feet. "Keep on moving," shouted Raccoon. "Slow and steady wins the race," yelled Frog. Tortoise crawled along as quickly as he could. Hare was far ahead. He decided to stop for a nap. He quickly fell asleep. Tortoise plodded on. He was tired, but he never stopped. He passed a garden. To his surprise, there was Hare. Hare was sleeping. Tortoise plodded on. Finally, Hare woke up. He saw some lettuce. "What a fine lunch," he said to himself. He began nibbling. Then he saw Tortoise ahead of him. Hare jumped up and quickly passed Tortoise again. He called, "Give up! You don't have a chance!" Hare hopped along. Before long, he knew Tortoise was far behind again. "I'll just take another nap," he said. He found a place under a big old tree. Soon he was fast asleep again. Tortoise plodded on. Rooster cheered, "You can do it!" Raccoon cheered, "Go, Tortoise, go!" Frog cheered, "Slow and steady wins the race." Tortoise got near the finish line. The cheering woke up Hare. He saw Tortoise about to cross the finish line. Hare couldn't run fast enough to catch up. Hare shouted, "Stop! You can't win the race, Tortoise!" Just then, Tortoise crossed the finish line. Raccoon picked up Tortoise and put him on his shoulders. He carried Tortoise through the crowd. Everyone cheered. Frog reminded them, "Slow and steady wins the race."
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.